Have you been to Jesus for the cleansing power? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you fully trusting in His